Here we are, Divas. Day 11, Advent Calendar opening. Day 11. Elf is 11 in Deutsche. So, here we go. Let's do our goodies. Let's see. 11 is at the top or bottom. It's in the top. Let's see. Oh, my birthday's in the top too. Let me see. Ooh. All right, let me show you what we got in Daphne's diary. Let me show you. It's Merry Christmas ribbon. Let's see if I have to open it up. It's a grosgrain ribbon, which means it has the ribs in it. And it's the Christmas truck. Very nice. I think it's about maybe a yard, 2 yards, probably 2 yards. So that's sweet. That's really sweet. Thank you. These ribbons are expensive these days. You know that, don't you? If you go into Joann's or Hobby Lobby or other fabric stores, you're going to find out that they are not cheap. Let's see. Let's go to day 11. 11, 12, and 13 together? Well, boogers. I don't like that. Let's see what it is. I'm going to open it today, since I have it here today. Ooh, wood panel. We have a wood panel, a 6x6 wood panel. We have a stencil, and we have felt sheets. So, today is the wood panel. They just wanted to put them all in the same thing. So since I have it all here, I want to see what it is. Alright. Ooh, it's very pretty. Look at that. It is a snowflake or a star. You can put this on the blue and you can see it very nicely here. Star stencil. I wonder, I mean, you could paint it and then spray paint the star over it, maybe with flecks or something. Felt sheets. All right. There are 4 colors of felt here: blue, dark green, Christmas red, and white. Okay. Well, I will put them all together. Over here. All right. It's neat that they're the same size. I just don't know what they want me to do with them. I think Arteza needs some more instructions. Needs a these are some ideas, an idea sheet. Let me check on their website to see if they have an idea sheet on there. So what are we on, day 11? Wait. Oh, I opened box 10, but I didn't turn it around. I'm sorry. That's why why am I seeing 10 there? Here we go. Yeah, I opened the other one yesterday. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Not exactly diamond painting, but they are on stretchy elastic. They are 2 holiday bracelets on stretchy elastic. And one has like a Santa Claus face, and one has, what is that? A snowman on there. Cute. Cute. I think my granddaughter will like that a lot. That was Diamond Painting Creations. Right. Move that off to in front here. There we go. Now, add more zest. Add more zest. Diamond painting putty. Zesty lemon. Oh, I love lemon. Let me smell. Let me smell. Let me smell. Come on out here. It's white. Oh, it smells like It smells like lemon zest. You know, when you're scraping the edges of the lemon to get the zest off when you use it in a recipe. Oh, love it. Love it. It smells wonderful. I love that for the smell alone. And Elf in Deutschland. It's an Elf from Deutschland. Ooh. 3 large diamond painting trays. A pink, white, and blue. And it's got like, it kind of recedes into a funnel here. You'll have to be careful when you're shaking them around that nothing comes out the end. But nice, very nice. Thank you for the boats. So I will show you what today's goodies are. And I will put all 3 of our Tezas here. Alright, I know, because we opened them all today, right? Because we opened them all today. So we have 3 boats and 2 bracelets, some Christmas truck ribbon, some zesty lemon. I think my favorite today is the zesty lemon, and the stencil, the wood block, and the felt pieces. All right, thank you for joining me today for day 12. I wonder what tomorrow will bring. Don't forget to check out the Etsy shop. The link is below. Don't forget to check out the Christmas premiere playlist, which will be coming up soon if it's not out already. And hit the like and subscribe. It's free. And the more likes and subscribes, the more that YouTube will suggest these videos to others who like diamond painting. All right, thank you. Bye, divas.